Today we are going to be talking about 3 irrefutable reasons why you should be lifting weights. Resistance training, whether you are working out at home or whether you're doing body weight exercises with dumbbells, barbells, machines, lifting weight or doing resistance training in some way should be an integral part of your life. Whether you're building muscles or you're trying to lose weight, you should be doing this so that you can keep your metabolism running on so high so that you avoid hitting plateaus, so that you can optimize that lean athletic physique that you want to build for yourself. So listen this carefully. Lifting weights will not make you bulky. A lot of people don't understand how hard it is to build humongous bulky muscles. Let me explain you this way. To get massive bulky muscles, you can't just start lifting weight and expect to get huge muscles and start gaining weight. You need to eat your butt off to gain any kind of significant muscle mass. So in order to get big bulky muscles, it's not just a matter of lifting in the gym and then your muscles just gonna magically blow up. You have to actually fuel those muscles to get them big and bulky. So if you are lifting weight and eating a calorie deficit, you are still going to lose weight, you're going to build muscles, but you will not get huge bulky muscles that you're afraid of. You are going to build that lean toned muscle mass that's going to be perfect for losing weight and cutting body fat. So don't be afraid of getting bulky muscles, because unless you are eating crap ton of food, it's not going to happen. Then there's another misconception that I think a lot of people have, is that a lot of people who want to lose body fat, they start doing a lot of cardio, and I've seen people go from zero activity to 6 to 7 days a week of 30 to 60 minute intense long-term cardio sessions that they don't enjoy, but they think that they need to do it in order to lose weight and lose body fat. But the truth is, cardio is not the best solution, purely cardio on its own. Let me say, it's not the best solution for losing weight, because cardio on its own, what it's going to do is it will stunt your metabolism. So when you just run and you don't do any strength training, what happens is that your body expects you to burn calories only when you are running. So when your body expects you to burn that many calories from being active, it would eventually start burning less at rest. When you don't go on a run, your body is not burning anything. So your body thinks that since you are going to do a lot of cardio to burn the calories, the body itself doesn't need to burn any calories. So as a result, your body will slow down the resting metabolic rate. Another problem with cardio is that you are not building any muscle tissue, and muscle tissue is the tissue that actually burns calories even when you are at rest. And this is the most important point that I can tell you in this video. So when you are lifting weights, you are doing some kind of resistance training which is helping you to build that muscle, and eventually that muscle is going to burn extra calories even when you are at rest after your training session. So you don't have to actually be working for hours as compared to cardio for burning calories. Also, your body is going to increase the metabolism, because now your body has functional lean muscle mass, and your body knows that you are not doing a lot of cardio, so it has to eventually burn the calories that it was earlier not doing it, because it was totally dependent on your response to cardio workouts. So that's why doing some kind of resistance training is essential for cutting body fat and losing weight. You're actually going to be able to increase your resting metabolism as you lose weight, decrease body fat, and increase the lean muscle tissue. But remember, cardiovascular training is a very important part of your life. It makes sure that you take care of your heart and your respiratory system, which is anyway keeping you alive, and it's very important. So what you can do is, along with your resistance training, instead of running before or after your training sessions to get your cardiovascular training, you can set up your workout in a format of a circuit that would elevate your heart rate and get your heart muscle pumping while you are working on the rest of the muscles in your body, and that's actually going to put high demand on your heart. because not only it's trying to keep up with your lungs, that you can keep your blood and oxygen flow going and moving your body in general, but you are also pumping blood and oxygen to each of the individual muscle groups, whether they be compound or isolated, to keep them working during the workout. But you need to keep in mind that cardiovascular training is really important, because you need healthy heart and lungs to keep existing to survive. So just to sum it up, here are 3 reasons why you should be lifting weights. Number 1, it's not going to give you big bulky muscles. It's actually going to give you toned athletic look that you probably want, and it helps you lose weight. Also, lifting weight, not cardio, is what makes you look great while you're losing weight. And third, but definitely not the last, lifting weights and doing some kind of resistance training actually increases your metabolism, as opposed to your cardio. Purely cardio on its own can stunt your metabolism to the ground. So now you have 3 irrefutable reasons why you need to start lifting weights. You don't need to be worried about building big bulky muscle fibers. You don't have to be concerned about throwing yourself on a treadmill or rowers for hours every week to lose weight. Most of the people build lean muscle and lose weight by working out 4 hours per week, and they see serious results within the first 4 weeks of doing resistance.